Welcome! In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure your Coreflux broker as a Linux Daemon Service. You should be able to run it on MQTT Explorer just like that, and it's very easy to connect. However, when your console closes, your broker stops running. So in order to fix this, you need to transform your broker into a service. Ready? Go! Let's start by going to the Coreflux documentation at docs.coreflux.org. Go to Installation and fetch this command to prepare your own system. With this, you can prepare a daemon service. Paste it in the console and it opens the system service file. Now, go back to the web page, copy the configuration of the service and paste it in the console. Here you have to provide the service policy, which for restarting should be always, and also the path where Coreflux is installed, as well as the name of the service. The order of restarting the service should be named with this command. Here we are saying that after the network is prepared, we are going to run the Coreflux service. So, Ctrl X, press Y, and save. You have prepared your own daemon server and it's ready to reload the configurations. They're also in the documentation page, so if you place them in the console and run these three commands, you are creating a service inside that daemon reload systems controller. Pressing enter will enable Coreflux Central as a service and start Coreflux Central. You can check if it's running with systemctl status Coreflux Central. It's active, so you can connect it in the MQTT Explorer and it's up and running. And finally, you can close the window and even if you disconnect and reconnect it, it works. Congratulations! You have your own broker working as a service. As long as your machine is running, Coreflux is taking care of your data. Easy peasy! See you on the next tutorial.